As you can see, this guy really made this amount of money just with Fiverr, which is crazy, you guys. Hello everybody and welcome back to today's video. In today's video we're going to discuss a lot regarding Fiverr niches. We're going to discuss, more importantly, 3 niches that you guys are going to absolutely love, and wait for the 3rd niche, you guys. At the end of the video it's going to be an absolute banger. So as I was saying, in today's video, we're going to discuss 3 niches. First of all, you have to keep in mind that those 3 niches, you guys, are very competitive. That's something you have to keep in mind. The second thing that you have to also keep in mind is that those niches are very profitable. And the third and the most important thing, in my opinion, is that those niches right here are not even that hard, meaning the skills required to do those niches are not even that hard, you guys. So you could literally, but by the end of the video, go ahead, pick a niche of one of those niches, and then just go ahead, learn that skill in a week or 2 weeks, and you'll be good to go. With that said, you guys, let's get started already with the first niche. And also try to stick around to the end of the video for those newcomers out there. Even if you are a newcomer to Fiverr and stuff like that, even though those niches are very competitive, it could literally, change a lot for you if you could niche the niche. What I'm trying to say with that, I'm going to explain that at the end of the video. So as I said, try to stick around to the end of the video. And we are also going to do some case studies regarding each niche in the video, so also keep that in mind. So the first niche, you guys, is proofreading. For you who understand proofreading, you can go ahead, skip 30 seconds on the video. For those who don't, stick around to this bit. So proofreading is when someone writes an essay or something. Say you write an essay and you don't know if you have mistakes or not. So you will pay someone, or you'll go for a friend or someone, and you'll tell him to proofread it. He will reread all of the thing, edits the mistakes, and suggest some things that could make that essay better and better. So that's proofreading in a nutshell. You can see that they're here. First of all, when we type proofreading on Fiverr, we can see Fiverr choice, which is those are people, even though they have low ratings. As you can see, 54 ratings is not that much, to be honest with you, regarding like 1k plus ratings, which is actually amazing. It's not that much, but still the prices were low, has very high returning customers. Like it's very high, I believe. You can see, yeah, so it's very simple, it's very like not that much, but yeah, you can see it's very profitable, and Fiverr already likes her work. So for you to be a Fiverr choice, Fiverr have to review your work. Fiverr, you can't apply for something called Fiverr choice. Fiverr just will pick some people randomly, I believe, and just pick them out of the blue, and yeah, that's it. So as I said, that's proofreading in a nutshell. But now let's go ahead and study a very insane case, and we're also going to calculate some profits of some people that works in Fiverr for the last and 3rd niche. So try to stick around for that. You guys are not going to miss the value on that one. So as I said, you can see I'll professionally proofread and edit English or Italian text. So this is a newcomer probably, and even though she's a level 2 seller, let's go to the account. You can see, yeah, so it's member since 2018, I believe. It just doesn't scale that much. But yeah, as I said, like, you could look at this one, and we are also going to discuss one very important tip at the end of the video. You could look at the person right here, and you're seeing that the price is a bit low. You could be wondering, why though even the price is low, there's a lot of orders and there's a lot of profit? Well, we're going to explain a very good strategy regarding that at the end of the video. So let's, for example, go to this lady's account and let's go for the reviews. So you can see that in the reviews, you can see that this is under $15, under $15, under. Okay, so this is project price between $15 and $100. Look at this one. You see, this is what I'm trying to teach you guys. This is what I'm trying to read at the end of the video. Look at this. The project price, you guys, is between $1,000 and $2,500. Do you understand how big is that? Even though she only provides $20 gigs, $25 gig, and $13 gigs, she got paid right here between $1,000 and $200 and $500, which is very big amount of money for 1 gig, even though it's probably one very big gig. Sorry for that, by the way. As you can see, this is very amazing. Let's see more of this. You can see, all right, this is between $100 to $200. This is between $800 and $1,000, which is actually insane. This is between under 15, and you guys get the idea. So we are going to discuss why those people convert very high sales even though they have low pricing at the end of the video. Try to stick around for that as well. Now moving on to the second niche, you guys. that was proofreading in a nutshell. If you want to start proofreading, all you have to do, you guys, learn how to proofread, practice that for like 2 to 3 weeks, and really have a good understanding of English grammar and stuff like that. If you think you are a good fit for this, proofreading is your way to go. Our second advice, you guys, is a cover letter. So as you can see, even though those niches are the top 3 niches in Fiverr, you can see that we are jumping a lot between stuff, which is very good right here, because as I said, you have to understand that first of all, right now I'm gonna discuss why putting low prices on your gigs have very converting sales. So if you stick around to the end of the video, you are going to love the video, because we are going to do one additional thing at the end, and this is still not even the end. So let me discuss one more thing. You see, when you price your prices very low at Fiverr, even though you may not making much profit at the start, but you are collecting reviews, and reviews is the currency of Fiverr. It's not money, reviews is the currency of Fiverr. So say you do a competitive price, you don't have to price $5. Say for example you have a very high converting gig, doing $5 is just, bad for you, and you say maybe you buy a domain name, buy a hosting, and that's just bad for you. You're losing money at this point, which is something that we don't want. But pricing at the lowest or the most competitive price is gonna make people be like, all right, even though I could test this guy, even though he doesn't much have reviews, it's priced as a very low price, therefore it doesn't really matter, you know what I mean? It doesn't really matter if there's like much reviews or not. People are gonna buy it whatsoever, and you're gonna build a reputation, which is very important. Building a reputation on Fiverr is one of the most important things, if not the most important. So yeah, as I said, that's the key to pricing like low prices. And when, for example, you do a very good gig with someone, he's gonna come back again, say he come back again. One day he's gonna be like, yo bro, I got this very high tier thing, and I'm willing to pay this current price, as we saw, between $1,000 even all the way to $2,500, which is crazy. Now moving on, we're gonna move a little bit fast now moving on to the second niche, which is cover letter. Basically, cover letter is just kind of like, I could show you an example right now. So like, let's go for cover letter example just for you to understand. It's just like this letter where you it's like a motivation letter or something like that, where you kind of just say what you do, say what you are capable of doing, and say what you would like to do with the company or something like that. As you can see, like, dear hiring manager, please accept the letter attached resume, I'm looking for a raise, I'm looking for something. This is a cover letter in a nutshell. And yeah, that is a cover letter in a nutshell. So what you'll be able to do is that you have good writing skills, again, good writing skills, good grammar, good convincing skills as well, and good showing off skills, which is very important for you to be able to do cover letter. It's very competitive, it's very profitable, and it's very easy to do. Someone could write a cover letter in 30 minutes and get paid $60 for that, which is actually crazy. And now moving on to the most hardest skill-wise niche, website building. You guys, website building is very hard regarding first of all skill wise, because you can't just create a website like that. But there's a plot twist in this niche right here. If you could learn how to design a good website using just WordPress, or Wix, or any of those tools, Elementor, as you can see, look at this. I'll create a full website using Elementor Pro, WordPress. You think it's very hard skill wise? It's really not, because there's no coding. There's just some basic coding skills, but there's literally no coding whatsoever regarding a WordPress and Elementor. You just have to have some PHP and some HTML, CSS, and your JavaScript, and you'll be good to go. But at the start, that's not even necessary. But at the end of the video, guys, let's get back to a resume and something like that. You see, those three niches, as I said, proofreading, cover letter, and website building, are very competitive, which is good. You see, if it's not competitive, that means people are not looking to buy that. You need to understand that something being competitive is something very good, shows that there's a demand in the market, shows that it's gonna last for longer, and shows that it's very profitable. With that said, hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. And also, one more thing before you leave the video, if you are a new seller, I really recommend you subscribe to the channel. And also, one more thing is that regarding this, I really hope that your journey with Fiverr goes well, and if it did, please type down in the comment section below what's your experience and stuff like that. And I hope you enjoyed the rest of your day. Peace.